I see the price, I will let you know the price. Okay, let me show you another one. Those with the carpet crumbs. You need to clean your carpet each and every day or every 3 days. This is so cheap. $78 for this vacuum cleaner. You know? Okay, we move to the next one. If I see the price, I will let you know the price. But if I don't see no price, there's no way I can guess for the price. So this is another one here. Vacuum cleaner. You know? This is another one here. Yeah. Okay, I have one here with the price. See this one? It looks so nice. Take care of your house. See? So cheap. $57. This is so cheap. I like this. It's so cheap. And look at this one too. This one is just $69. Look at the price. I'll show you the price for this particular one. It's so cheap. Go to the other side. Look at this particular vacuum cleaner. Look at the price. $159 for this particular one. Move to the next one. I think it's getting expensive and coming down here. Look at this particular vacuum cleaner. See the price. $299. Hey. Move here. This particular vacuum cleaner too. See? Look at the price. Ooh, fine. This is the price. $279. Wow. Okay, look at this one too. And come with the price. The price is $279. Move to the next one. Okay. There's no price attached to this particular vacuum cleaner, so I can't give you the price. Let's move to the next. This is the price. See it by yourself. $179 for this particular vacuum. If you have a carpet company, you take care of your house. The next one. These are all vacuum cleaners you can use to clean your house, or if you have a business, if you have a cleaning company, you need a vacuum cleaner to do your job. If you're cleaning some people's house, you need to use good quality vacuum cleaner. I don't know which price. $147 for this one here. And there is another one here. Take care of your house. Take care of your home. Make your home smell good all the time with this good vacuum cleaners. Oh, look at this one. This is so amazing. It's not expensive. $139. Nowadays they have smart stuff. You don't need to worry yourself about doing anything. Just set it up and it will just do the work for you. All these are the smart vacuum cleaners. You don't have to do nothing. All you do is start it, leave it, it will go and it will do the whole work for you. Look at this one too. This is cheap. Just $79. So cheap. Look at this one too. The price is $49. That is the price you can see for this particular one. Okay, this one too. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos. Whether you subscribe or not subscribe, I will still bring more videos. So just help me for this channel to grow by subscribing to this channel, share it and like it. You need one for your house. Whether you have a carpet or wooden house or tile house, you always need to clean your house. So get one for yourself, and the price is affordable. There's no way you can say this is really expensive. No, it's so affordable. This is $99. This particular one is just $99. Look at this one. The price is $169. This vacuum cleaner. It looks good, smart, affordable. See this particular one too. The price is $1.